Have you ever wondered how some people seem to effortlessly make money through SEO while others struggle to gain traction? In today's digital age, mastering search engine optimization, SEO, can open up a world of opportunities to earn income and establish your online presence. But with the ever-evolving landscape of digital marketing, what are the most effective strategies to make money with SEO in 2024? Join us as we delve into the intricacies of SEO and uncover lucrative avenues to boost your income in the digital realm. But before we get into the video, be sure to subscribe and leave a comment below saying, "I subscribed." We at Cash Summit Squad will try to personally reply to your comment. Now, without further ado, let's dive right in. Number 1. Work for an SEO agency. Looking to kickstart your career in SEO? Working for an SEO agency offers invaluable opportunities to hone your skills and gain real-world experience in the fast-paced world of digital marketing. From mastering technical SEO techniques to refining your client management abilities, agency life provides a comprehensive learning environment. Immerse yourself in diverse projects, collaborate with seasoned professionals, and stay updated on the latest industry trends. While the rigid schedule and limited client selection may pose challenges, the benefits of working for an SEO agency are undeniable. Gain exposure to a wide range of clients, refine your time management skills, and build a solid foundation for your career in SEO. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a newcomer to the field, the insights gained from agency experience can propel you towards success in the dynamic realm of search engine optimization. Number 2. Create an e-commerce empire. Ready to embark on your entrepreneurial journey? Harness the power of e-commerce SEO to build your own online empire and capitalize on the booming digital marketplace. With e-commerce sales on the rise, there's never been a better time to launch your own online store. Start by identifying a profitable niche and conducting thorough keyword research to uncover lucrative opportunities. By optimizing your website for search engines and implementing effective SEO strategies, you can attract targeted traffic and maximize your sales potential. From optimizing product listings to leveraging long-tail keywords, e-commerce SEO empowers you to reach your target audience and drive conversions. But success in e-commerce requires more than just SEO expertise. Stay informed about industry trends, monitor your competitors, and continually refine your marketing efforts to stay ahead of the curve. By combining SEO with a strategic approach to e-commerce, you can establish a thriving online business and unlock endless opportunities for growth and profitability. Number 3. Embrace the dropshipping revolution. Looking for a low-risk way to start your own e-commerce venture? Dive into the world of dropshipping and leverage SEO to maximize your profits. With dropshipping, you can sell products without the hassle of inventory management or fulfillment logistics. By partnering with suppliers who handle shipping and inventory, you can focus on driving traffic to your online store and optimizing your SEO strategy. Utilize your SEO skills to research profitable niches, identify in-demand products, and optimize your website for search engines. From crafting compelling product descriptions to targeting long-tail keywords, SEO plays a crucial role in attracting customers and boosting sales in the competitive dropshipping landscape. While dropshipping offers flexibility and scalability, success requires dedication and strategic planning. Stay informed about industry trends, adapt your SEO strategy accordingly, and continually refine your approach to stay ahead of the competition in the dynamic world of dropshipping. Number 4. Offer expert SEO consulting. Ready to share your SEO expertise with businesses in need? Launch your own consulting service and become a trusted advisor in the digital marketing sphere. As an SEO consultant, you'll provide tailored solutions to clients looking to improve their online visibility and drive organic traffic to their websites. From conducting comprehensive website audits to developing customized SEO strategies, your consultancy services will be in high demand among businesses seeking to maximize their online presence. By leveraging your expertise in keyword research, competitor analysis, and technical SEO, you can help clients achieve their digital marketing goals and stay ahead of the curve in an increasingly competitive landscape. While running your own consulting business offers flexibility and autonomy, Success requires a deep understanding of SEO principles, effective communication skills, and a commitment to delivering tangible results for your clients. With dedication and strategic planning, you can build a thriving consultancy practice and establish yourself as a trusted authority in the dynamic world of SEO. Number 5. Monetize your digital content. Passionate about creating engaging digital content? Leverage your expertise in SEO to monetize your blog or website and turn your passion into profit. By attracting a loyal audience through strategic SEO techniques, you can unlock various revenue streams, including sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, and display ads. Start by identifying your niche and conducting keyword research to optimize your content for search engines. Craft high-quality SEO-friendly articles that resonate with your target audience and drive organic traffic to your site. As your audience grows, explore opportunities to collaborate with brands, promote affiliate products, and display ads through platforms like Google AdSense. While building a successful blog requires dedication and consistent effort, the potential for monetization is virtually limitless. With the right SEO strategy and a commitment to creating valuable content, you can transform your digital platform into a lucrative source of income. Number 6. Integrating PR and SEO for success. Looking to amplify your brand's online presence? Explore the synergy between public relations, PR, and SEO to achieve greater visibility and drive organic growth. By integrating PR efforts with SEO strategies, you can enhance brand awareness, acquire high-quality backlinks, and establish yourself as a thought leader in your industry. Craft compelling narratives and engaging content that resonate with your target audience while incorporating relevant keywords to optimize for search engines. Leverage PR tactics such as media outreach, press releases, and content partnerships to earn valuable backlinks and boost your website's authority. By aligning your PR and SEO initiatives, you can create a cohesive digital marketing strategy that maximizes your online visibility and drives sustainable growth. Embrace the power of PR to elevate your brand's reputation while leveraging SEO tactics to dominate search engine rankings and attract organic traffic to your website. Number 7. Prioritize user experience, UX, for SEO success. In today's digital landscape, user experience UX is paramount for SEO success. By prioritizing UX design principles, you can enhance your website's usability, engagement, and ultimately its search engine rankings. Focus on creating intuitive navigation, fast-loading pages, and mobile responsiveness to provide users with a seamless browsing experience. Reduce bounce rates and improve user satisfaction by delivering relevant, high-quality content that meets their needs and expectations. Leverage visual elements, interactive features, and clear calls to action to guide users through your website and encourage conversion. By aligning your SEO strategy with user-centric design principles, you can not only improve your website's performance in search engine results, but also deliver a positive and memorable experience for your audience. Prioritize UX for SEO success and watch your organic traffic and rankings soar. Mastering SEO in 2024 opens a gateway to endless possibilities in the digital realm. Whether you choose to work for an agency, launch your own e-commerce empire, or offer expert consulting services, the opportunities for success are boundless. By staying abreast of the latest trends and best practices, you can carve out your niche in the competitive landscape of digital marketing and unlock new avenues for income generation. To explore further into our top recommended approach and reveal the ultimate strategy for quick cash flow, just click the link in the description below. Let's accelerate your path to financial success. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, happy optimizing.